Okay, PSSA Power 83. Make sure you already have it done and you're making corrections now. So let's get started. First one, using the coordinate plane. Which point is at coordinates -1, 3? Now remember, you start at the origin right here where the y and the x-axis meet. The first number means you go over to the -1, so go over to here. Second number means 3, so you go up 3. 1, 2, 3. Your answer should be y, which is here. If you had it, give yourself a C. Or just remember, first number means over, second number means up or down. Okay, to the right. What is the greatest common factor of 45 and 60? So, if you have 180, you did these common multiple and you listed them. Don't do that. Remember, greatest common factor, that F factor should remind you to do factor trees. Now, if you don't remember how to do factor trees, you have to find the biggest number that goes into 45 and 60. So maybe you did that without factor trees, but I'll show you what to do. So you start with 45, and then you do 60. 45, I'm going to do 9 times 5. 9, I'm going to split into 3 times 3. Don't forget to bring the 5 down. 45 is done. 60, I'm going to do 5 times 12. Bring down the 5. 12, I'm going to do 4 times 3. Bring down the 5. Split the 4 into 2 times 2. And bring down the 3. They are all prime numbers. Now to find the greatest common factor, you must find the twins. So this 3 is a twin here. This next 3 is not, and this 5 is a twin here. None of the other numbers are twins. So they are the common factors. To find the greatest common factor, you have to multiply 3 times 5, and you get 15, which is B. Now remember, if you're like 15 is the biggest thing that goes into 45 and 60 without doing all this, that's fine. Okay, next one. What is the area of the figure below? So we have a compound figure. So here's what we're going to do. We've got to decompose this into two lovely rectangles. You can split it right here, or you can split it right here. Either way should get you the right answer. Now I'm going to split it right here because that's what makes sense to me. I'm going to find the area of that, and then I'm going to find the area of that, and I'm going to add those suckers together. So, first off, the black rectangle. We just have to do 4.8 times 2.1. And I'm going to type that in my calculator. Times 2.1, enter, and I got 10.08. So I'm going to write that in here. Now, for the next one, I have to do 3.2 times 6.4. And I'll get the area of the blue one. So let me clear. All right, what was it, 6.4? I should have had this done already. Oh well. Times 3.2. And I get 20.48. So, to get your total area, you add this with this, and you should have D 30.56. Okay, let's slide over to algebra. Which expression is equivalent to 3 times 9 plus 7? Now, I'm going to show you two ways to do this. One is, if you look here, this is distributive property. So, I'm going to do 3 times 9. Ooh, that should be a 9, not a 4. Plus 3 times 7. Because that's what distributing means. You're distributing the 3 times the 9, which is here, 3 times the 7, which is here. And I'm going to look for that, and I have that here, which is D. Now, are you ready for the other trick? The other trick is to type each expression into the calculator. And the one that matches this one is equivalent. So let's say I type this one here, 3 times 9 plus 7. And if I do that, I get 48. So whatever one down here equals 48 is equivalent. So this one, 39 plus 7, that is 46. This one, 3 times 9 is 27, plus 7 is 34. I guess I should write these down. What did I say, 34? Okay. And C, 3 times 97, that is 291, I believe. Last one, if I type this one in, 3 times 9 plus 3 times 7, guess what I get? 48. Ding, 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 ding. You have a winner. All right, so 2 tricks. Type them all in until you find the one that matches, or, I don't know, distribute. Okay, that's it for this one. Talk to you later.